That's another good sign. Things are changing.
I mean, tomorrow looks absolutely beautiful. Today's not going to be the worst day. It's not going to be great. And Mother's Day, I'm hopeful, I'm cautiously optimistic that we may be able to stay dry, but it will be cooler, running in the 50s for many of us. Out the door this morning, a pretty quiet start, but showers will develop today. There'll be plenty of dry times, though. So I think a lot of the morning, midday to perhaps even early afternoon in spots will be mainly dry. It's a terrific Saturday. Sun and clouds tomorrow, well into the 60s. Mother's Day may stay dry as well. And then it is an active pattern next week, though, several rain chances, and we will be cooler than normal, too. 51 in Boston right now, upper 40s from Lawrence to Taunton, 46 in Worcester. Many of us about 5 to 15 degrees warmer than we were at this time yesterday. I had a couple of showers during the overnight period. Still some pockets of rain through Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. Making a shower right along the Mass-New Hampshire border of Essex County right now. But other than that, we're mainly dry. There's more wet weather back to the west, though, and this will slowly shift east during the day today. We will manage to climb into the 60s, though, in a lot of spots. 60 to 65 for many of us. The Cape and the immediate South Shore, a place like Plymouth, will be in the 50s for highs today. All right, hour by hour this morning, I can't rule out a sprinkle, but most of us are dry, even through early afternoon. It's mid-afternoon onward that some scattered showers develop, mainly north and west of Boston. And notice as we head into the evening commute, I think there will be plenty of dry periods, except north and west, that's the greatest risk of showers. Downpours pushing in 6 to 8 p.m. right along the Mass-New Hampshire border, back down along and north of the Mass Turnpike. That's where we could see a rumble of thunder here this evening, and then 8 to 10 p.m. in and around the city of Boston. That's when the showers move in as well. These will sink southward right around midnight tonight, and then some partial clearing will come in with the showers actually exiting and tapering off through the late overnight along the south coast and Cape. So decreasing clouds late. Low 50s for overnight lows. Look at this tomorrow. Well into the 60s to near 70 in spots. With a good amount of sunshine, looks like a fantastic spring day tomorrow. Enjoy it. The clouds increase tomorrow night. Rain will be close by on Sunday, but it does look like it should stay to our south. There is some hope here that at least we can keep that to our south for now and just be stuck in the clouds on Sunday. That will thicken for the second half of the day. Temperatures will be in the 50s, cooler because of that with an onshore wind. Monday, some wet weather does come in, cool with showers. It looks like we'll linger into Tuesday, but we should turn brighter through the middle part of the week with temperatures up around 60 by Wednesday and Thursday. Brianna?